Today, you will learn the secret formula to make correct English sentences. Every English sentence follows one simple rule. Subject, verb, object. Say with me, subject, verb, object. This is the key to speaking English. First subject. Subject mean who or what. Who is doing the action? Examples. I eat. She runs. They play. The boy runs. My mother cooks. Subject is the doer. Now practice with me. Eats an apple. He eats an apple. Plays football. She plays football. Good job. Now, verb. Verb means action. Examples. Eat, run, play, read. Now sentences. I eat. She reads. They play. Remember. No verb, no sentence. Now, object. Object mean what? What are you eating? What are you reading? Examples. I eat an apple. She reads a book. They play football. Now full formula again. Subject plus verb plus object. Let's build sentences. I eat an apple. She reads a book. They play cricket. Very easy. Now helping verbs. Is, are. These words help the main verb. Say with me. Is are. Wrong sentence. I eating. Correct sentence. I am eating. Wrong. She going. Correct. She is going. Wrong. They playing. Correct. They are playing. Now repeat with me. I am reading. He is running. She is cooking. They are playing. We are learning. Good. Practice game. He eats an apple. They play cricket. She is reading. Now you know the secret. Subject, verb, object, and helping verbs. Practice daily, and you will speak English easily.